Big Blind. Today we are unboxing the TourBox Elite. I've been procrastinating on buying one of these, but my best friend Mobtown Matthew on IG has been using his non-stop and he absolutely swears by it. Now, I just started this YouTube channel and I wanted to get better at video editing, using it for Lightroom. I use my iPad a lot to, edit photos and videos, and he says, man, you need to get the TourBox. It's worth the money. It's kind of pricey, he goes, but it's built strong. He loves it. So if you know Matt, man, Matt is a workhorse. Everything he does, he's always very proficient. And so he says, hey man, stop wasting your time, get the TourBox and you won't regret it. So I'm gonna read off some of the stuff that it does. It speeds up creative control workflows. It provides one-handed eye-free control, and that's what I need. Works with Windows, Mac, iPad, Android tablets, and your iPad. Fully customable controls, dual Bluetooth connectivity, precision dials, and haptic feedback. So I got it out of the box. It came in today, and I ended up getting the clear one. Now, first impressions, it's very heavy. I like that. The controls feel really well. And, Matt was just telling me that, he gets tired of using his mouse, and I agree. You're trying to work, you're trying to be proficient, you're trying to be fast. And I just figured, hey man, if I'm gonna waste all this time, I might as well be a little bit quicker at the process. So I got this today, and right off the bat, it feels heavy, it feels strong. The buttons feel nice, and I'm really impressed with this so far. Now in the box, it just comes with this. It comes with a wire like always. But some of the other things it does, it has built-in presets. So if you use Logic, or you use DaVinci, or you use CapCut, you can just go in there and you should be able to just set it up and just plug and play. And that's what I want. I want something easy. Matt was telling me that he went in there, he set up his own keypad, his own shortcuts, and that's how he uses it. So, every day we'll be editing, I'll be watching him, I'll be over there struggling to use the mouse and the keypads. He's just over there just clicking away. And so like I said, I use this one specifically for the iPad because I use the iPad for almost everything. I just got a MacBook and I've been using it a lot. So some of the other things it says, like I said, built-in presets. It reduces repetitive keyboard and mouse use, because we all know that we need to cut down time. We're making these videos. We don't have a lot of time. You make a video and you're like, you want to get it out. So right off the bat, it's got a place for the batteries, of course your power. And like I said, so far, just the way it feels in my hands, it feels amazing. So I'm gonna plug this in. I'm gonna come back and I'll give you a review in a couple days after I use it. It's pretty late where I live right now, but so far, the way this feels and the way it looks, I'm very pleased with it. And like I said, if Matt rocks with it, Matt's very, 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 very intense with his work and his work ethic. So I know if he uses this, it's probably gonna be worth every penny. So if you use this or you have one, please put it down in the comments what you like about it, what you don't like about it. And I'll get back to you guys in a couple of days. But right now, just first glance, I'm really pleased with it. Like I said, it's super heavy, buttons feel good. And if you want to cut down on your time, hopefully like me, hopefully I won't regret this purchase. But right now, it feels great, looks great. I got this on Amazon. And if you want to get one, buy one. Like I said, he don't regret it. I haven't used it yet, but if he don't regret it, I probably won't regret it either, because we have a lot of similarities in the way we work and the way we like to edit. So this is the TourBox. Like I said, this is the one for the iPad. I'll let you guys know in a couple of days of what I think. But right now, just first impressions, it's beautiful, it's heavy, 10 out of 10. And like I said, this is Big Blind. I'll be back in a couple of days to let you guys know how it goes. Right now, solid purchase, man. Peace, I'm out of here.